Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Happy Saturday. A couple days ago we went to Walmart to check the oil prices, and we've noticed that the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5-quart bottle went up by $6. A lot of you have asked if I can check out Costco. I can't see it because there's a car blocking it, but the entrance is right over there. It's been a while since I went to Costco, and the last time I went, the Kirkland Signature motor oil, you get, I believe, 2 5-quart jugs per box. It went for $35.99, and then the heavy duty motor oil went for $37.99. There's also, I believe, Mobile One with 2 5-quart bottles for $29.97. So given that Amazon has bumped up their prices, Walmart has bumped up their prices, let's see if we can still get a sweet deal at Kirkland Signature. Here we go. And it is very hot out today. My goodness. Of course, going to Costco on a Saturday is always so busy. We had some difficulty trying to find parking. But let's head inside. It's been such a long time since I went into Costco. I don't know. It's always so busy. And I try to avoid the number of trips here unless I'm getting gas. But then even then, I started using BP gasoline just because, I don't know, it seems to run better in my vehicle. All right, let's see here. Oh wow, 2-person sauna. That's pretty cool. All right, I see it. Oh my god. All right, $39.99, so it went up by about $4 for the 2-pack 5-quart. $39.99 full synthetic 0W20, $39.99 5W30, $37.99 heavy duty. So this didn't change at all the last time we were here. $37.99 and $39.99 5W30. Oh, that's the high mileage one. So yeah, they're the same price. But yeah, look, motor oil went up by about $4. Oh boy. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, check out this. BF Goodrich has wiper blades. Jump starter. Let's see. I actually need to pick up one of these gloves. But guys, motor oil prices have also gone up at Costco here. There's a gentleman over there looking at motor oil, so I don't want to step over there, but my goodness. I didn't find the Mobile One over there, and I'm not sure if they have that anymore. It might have been like a limited time offer item. I don't know. But yeah, that's Costco for you. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are and if any of you are using Kirkland Signature. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps. All right, bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.